Okay, let's discuss the management aspect of the park and what the system is delivering through that, with the areas like assets, inventory, projects, the task checklists, that type of thing. Can you just run us through what you're actually getting out of the system from a management perspective?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have implemented the assets and inventory module, the projects module and the meters module. Now the assets and inventory is a time-saving, easy way to manage the inventory that we have in holiday parks without having to implement a huge stock-taking system. The inventory, everything from what's in your units and in your amenity blocks being equipment and chemicals, to the assets that we have being bits of furniture, appliances, audio-visual equipment, TVs, you name it. They can all be logged into the system, stock taking done once a month, once every 3 months, whatever suits you, and then the reports do the rest for us. We can print out the stock taking sheets, we can print out the reorder forms, and it keeps a nice easy track. And me, in the position that I'm in, at the touch of a button I can see in one easy view what we have on hand and what the staff have been up to in terms of ordering and keeping within their budgets. The projects module is a nice easy way for me to be able to delegate projects to staff or team leaders and input milestones to those projects and have the staff basically ticking off their achievements as they go. I get an email each time one of those milestones is completed, and it means that it prompts me to do any checking up that I need to do. And once I've set all of that in place, I don't really need to think too much about it until each milestone is completed. The metering side of it, we run our accounts through the meters module. We take care of our budgets through there, and we also do all our sustainability monitoring through there for our power, water, gas and waste. It's a nice easy system of inputting the data and getting the reports in one easy view when needed. Each section of the system, from housekeeping, grounds, reception, assets, inventory, you name it, is all integrated into the reporting side of the system. So at the touch of a button, it's really simple and easy. The system has analytics such as staff reporting, feedback, performance. We can set parameters for budgets if we need to through the metering system, and I can also set parameters for consumption for sustainability if we need to. It has an alerting system through meters that will alert any stakeholders, whether that's me, whether that's the business owners or other staff members, to let them know they're going past the budget.
Let's just talk about task checklists and what having them in your business has done for you in terms of documenting your business process and ensuring that things get done throughout the year.
Yeah, the task checklist is using a template. You set tasks on a template and assign the frequency as to when you want those tasks to appear. For me, I use daily, weekly and monthly as my main task templates. I also have tasks that can be set to appear once a year or once every 3 months. The tasks can be set by management, or you can allow team leaders or managers to set them for you. The beauty about it is once the task is set, you really just don't have to think about it anymore. They are there ready for staff to check off as they're required to be done, and because it's web-based, we can see that reporting from anywhere in the world. You can see what has been done, what hasn't been done, and what got forgotten or closed by the system.
Yeah, so it's taking the stress out of your business is what you're saying. You don't have to worry about things not getting done because you know they'll pop up when they're due.
Absolutely, and should I happen to think of something that needs doing because something's cropped up, I can easily input that into the system from anywhere that I am.
That sounds great.